Hey, so in this one, these are going to be pretty quick because we've already gone over the core idea, which is just in adding this GeoJSON and then adding a specific layer. So when it comes to a line, we're going to basically do the same thing. I made a GeoJSON at geojson.io. I copied it, I brought it over here, and then I do this little add source, and I add our source. It's a type GeoJSON, and put in the data as this GeoJSON here. We have an example which does basically this exact same thing over at geojson.line, at Maplibre line. They do the same thing, adding a source, and then they add this whole line string, and then they add a layer with some options, right, with these layout and paint properties. We don't need to worry a lot about those. We're going to get more into that and a little later on. So here we just add our line layer. So as we reload this, you can see there's the line. Boom, there's the line. Now if we want to change the color, like we said, there's paint properties with lines. We have to come and look at the style spec and go look for line. Where is it? Line. And then here on the right, we see there's line color, and it's paint. It's got that little paint icon. And there's other ones, but that's the one we want to use. There's also a common one would be line width, which is another paint property. In this case, I do line color. You notice, like just a JavaScript thing, I have to put these in little quotations because it's got this dash. So if I just try to put line color like this, it's going to break. I'm going to get a syntax error. It's going to give me an error. Let's just show that error. So as I load it, the page literally doesn't load, and it says unexpected token, and it shows me that little dash. So I have to do it inside those quotation marks in order for it to work. Just a little trick there. So that's pretty much adding a line. Same kind of deal. And as you can imagine, a polygon is going to be very much the same. So we'll just quickly go over that in a minute in the next video.